Here is how we insert SIM card in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So first of all, inside of the Z Fold 6 box, there is this hidden leaflet, and inside of this leaflet has your SIM ejector tool. So this is available there. If you don't have this tool, you can use a paperclip or pin. So we see on our phone in the left hand side, this outline in the hole, this is our SIM card tray. Before we open the SIM card tray, I'd recommend unfolding the phone, as that allows the SIM card to be inserted back in easier. So we get the thin end of the SIM ejector tool and we insert it into that hole. And if we push down, it should partially release the SIM card tray. And you use your fingers to pull the tray out. So we will have the dual SIM cards if this phone was bought unlocked from Samsung's website. If you bought this on a carrier, they may only give you one SIM card. If you buy this phone from other websites, even if it's unlocked, they may only give you one SIM card. So what we do is we notice this ridge where my right index finger is. And so we want to match that ridge with the ridge of the SIM card. And then we can insert the SIM card into the SIM card tray, and it should fit nice and flush. If not, your tray may be the wrong way around. So if you just flip it, then it should fit in. So I have now inserted two SIM cards. So we have dual physical SIM. And to put the SIM card tray back into the phone, we match that hole with the hole of the SIM card tray. And then we push the tray back into the phone. And we'll just rub the tray with our finger to make sure that everything is nice and flush. So we should see our network start to work immediately. It should also bring you to the SIM manager, and we can see our SIM cards which we inserted, and we can also see the phone number for those SIMs as well. If for some reason after inserting the SIM card it doesn't seem to be recognized, this yellow contact on the SIM card may be dirty, so you just want to rub this with a t-shirt, microfiber cloth, give that yellow contact a good clean, then insert SIM card back into the Z Fold 6. And if you're still having problems, ask your carrier for a new SIM card, and then that should all work.